Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss next half of chapter number 6, models taken from our English practice book. Students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 7. Now, students, let's begin with the worksheet number 8. Imagine you are Aman's father, who receives the following letter from Aman. Okay, students, you have to imagine as you are Aman's father. Okay, who receives this letter from Aman. Aman has taken up his first job assignment in a new city and he seems to be having a difficult time. So, students, let's read this letter first of all. Park Lane, Preet City. Address is given. Below this address, students, we can write down date. Okay, after that, students, we can write down salutation like Dear Dad. Thanks for your letter asking me how I am. Well, I'm trying very hard to get adjusted to the new job and the new city. The job is okay, but my boss isn't quite so. He is very demanding and I usually have to work till late in the evenings. I can never go out because I am held up in the office. Even my seniors aren't quite friendly or helpful. Besides, I have developed some problems with my teeth. I have a swollen gum. It pains a lot, and as a result, I have not been eating properly. Now I feel weak. If you think it proper, can I take leave and come home for a few days? I am really homesick. Moreover, can I shift my residence to a place nearer to my office? At least I can get home half an hour earlier than I do now. Please do write back soon. With love, your son, Aman. Now, students, according to this letter, according to this information, students, here now you have to write a letter to Aman. Okay, now write a letter to Aman making suggestions. Okay, give him suggestions and offering help to ease out the situation. Grant him permission to do the things he has asked your permission for. Okay, and also warn him against the dangers he might face if he neglects his health, especially his teeth. So here, students, we can use different models for making suggestion, for threat, for permission. Okay, and we can complete this letter. For example, students, we can write down like this. First of all, students, write down the address. It's given to you already here. Then, students, below this address, we can write down date. After that, students, salutation like Dear Aman. I received your letter and came to know of your homesickness. You can certainly come home anytime. Okay, we can give him permission to come home. Okay, then you can take leave for 10 days from your office. Okay, then we can write down you should not feel disheartened. You should be patient. You should try to adjust according to new surroundings. Okay, you should do hard work. Okay, to keep your boss happy or your seniors happy. Okay, you should consult a doctor, or we can say you should consult a dentist as early as possible. Don't neglect your health. Okay, like this, students, we can frame different sentences. Okay, so here, students, write down your views. Okay, and complete this letter. So first of all, students, read worksheet number 8 carefully, and then, students, try to complete worksheet 9 yourself. Okay, now, students, let's begin with the worksheet number 10. Read these sentences. Note the use of the semicolon. Here, students, two sentences are given to you. Students, remember that usually a semicolon comes at the place of a linker. बेटा हम linker की place पर जो है usually एक semicolon का जो है use करते हैं. For example, students, first sentence, the room was stuffy. Then put a semicolon. She opened the windows. Here it's a sign of semicolon. Okay, the room was stuffy. She opened the windows. The next one, the man is not poor. Then again semicolon is given here. Okay, the man is not poor. He is just a miser. Here students, in first sentence, okay, the first clause like the room was stuffy states the reason, and the second, she opened the windows, result. Okay, in the first sentence the first clause states the reason and the second the result. And students, in second sentence, uh, the man is not poor, he is just a miser. Here the two ideas expressed by the two clauses on either side of the semicolon are closely connected. So students, remember that the clause after the semicolon begins with a small letter only. Okay, clause after the semicolon begins with a small letter only, and usually a semicolon comes at the place of a linker. We can say sentence linker, or we can say conjunction, or we can say connector. Okay, for example students, the room was stuffy. So okay, here we can use it as a linker. For example, the room was stuffy, so she opened the windows, or we can say the room was stuffy. Now we can use here semicolon, and then we can write down she opened the windows. So students, usually a semicolon comes at the place of a linker. Second one, the man is not poor, but he is just a miser. Like this students, we can use semicolon. Okay, and remember that the clause after the semicolon begins with a small letter only. Now students, let's begin with the worksheet number 11 and punctuate these sentences using a semicolon at the appropriate place. First one students, he is a farmer. He gets up early. He is a farmer. Here students, after farmer put a semicolon. Okay, after farmer students put a semicolon here. Then students, next one, you should better wear your jacket, you will catch a cold. After jacket students, we can put a semicolon. Then students, third one, he had to look for a job, he was left with no money. Students, in this sentence after job we can put a semicolon. Then fourth one, Sheila loves music, her brother hates it. Sheila loves music while her brother hates it, we can write, or Sheila loves music. Here after music we can put a semicolon. Okay, then fifth one, take this medicine, you will feel better. Take this medicine. After medicine students, here we can put a semicolon. Like this students, try to read these sentences carefully and punctuate these sentences using a semicolon at the appropriate place. And remember that the clause after the semicolon begins with a small letter only, and usually a semicolon comes at the place of a linker. Okay, now students, let's move on to the next part. It's do it yourself part. Complete the following passage by writing a suitable word or words in each blank. The first one has been done as an example. Here students, read this passage carefully, and then students try to write down a suitable word or words in each blank. Okay, you can write down different models. For example students, first one, hi, I'm your classmate. Since I'm new here, could you guide me on certain things about the school rules? Sure. You must reach the school latest by 7:55 a.m. You must be in your school uniform. You must do your homework assignments regularly, or we can write down you should do your homework assignments regularly. Okay, you must take leave by seeking permission in advance, and in case you are ill, your application must be submitted on joining school. Unit tests are held every Wednesday. Don't miss any. And if you do, you will get a 0. Okay, for that we can write down you will get a 0 unless you have been ill and submit a medical certificate. The school gets over at 2 p.m. If you live far away, you can use the school bus after putting in an application. Okay, lastly, you must follow instructions to keep out of trouble. Like this students, we can use different models here and complete this worksheet. So students, read this passage carefully once again, and then students write a suitable word or words in each blank. Okay, now students, let's move on to the next part. Complete the following dialogue between a son and his father in any suitable way. One sentence has been written as an example. Here students, it's a dialogue completion. So try this part yourself. We are doing here first one just. Okay, it's a conversation between son and father. It's my friend's birthday today. He has invited me to a party. May I go, father? Then father replied, you have had far too many parties. Now, I think you should prepare. Here we can write down should prepare. Okay, now I think you should prepare for your exams next month. Then the son replied, there's a plenty of time. I will manage. Okay, like the students, we can complete this worksheet. Okay, here students frame different dialogues and complete this worksheet. Okay, complete this dialogue completion between a son and his father in any suitable way. Now students, I hope that all of you understood this part well. Now students, complete chapter number 6 in your practice book. Okay, that's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.